First, write your first name, your last name, and your homeroom teacher's name on the back of your paper. Next, we want to look at some of our ideas from last time when we were brainstorming. I need to learn from my mistakes. Let's look back really quickly. Oh no, this isn't going so well. Oops, I made a mistake because I was rushing.
Please hang up and try again.
So what could I do better this time? Well, like I said, I should not rush. But I think I like this one. I want to do this one again. But let's see how I can improve on it. This time, I want to start with my colors. There we go. Keep repeating that shape. If it's not perfect, that could actually make it look a little cooler. I make them farther apart the farther away I get from the center, so it really looks like there's distance. Add our line through the corners. Whoa. All right, yeah. Oops, no laughing. What else should I add? How about some green? Oh no, I broke my crayon. Oh no, I'm rushing again. Now this time, instead of a black marker, I'm going to use a black crayon. Yeah, cool. Let's add more to this. Let's go above and beyond. I'm going to draw some more pictures that I might cut out and put on this one. I think I like this one. I don't know. Yeah. Now looking back on this one, I thought this was kind of cool, but I think I can make it look even cooler. Let's do it. Add our final touches. Oh no. No laughing. Whoa. Now we need to cut them out. My mom won't let me use the big kid scissors, so I have to use these. Here's kind of looks like a seashell. Maybe I'll do that next time. Let's play around with our shapes and see where we want them. I'm not so sure I'm happy with this, but I really need to finish this video, so I'm going to settle for this. You need your glue. I have the purple glue. Don't be jealous if you don't. Only a little bit of glue is necessary. If you use too much glue, your paper is going to stick to someone else's paper, and you get an F. So don't use too much glue. Just a little bit. Make sure you put the cap back on the glue. Yeah. Let's see how we did. Let's add a couple more things. See if I overdo it. I think this looks much better than this one. Oh no,